My name is Avinash Chaudhary. Who am I is not that important. What I'm going to talk is extremely important for you. Okay, so the topic today I'm going to discuss is destiny. Many people, almost everybody, is revolving around this topic. Sometimes they try to understand, sometimes they live it. Many a times throughout our life, we have to deal with this topic, sometimes or the other times. And while we are dealing with this topic, we create fictional stories around this topic, fictional concepts around this topic. So long as these concepts and these topics are working for us, it's fine. But most of the times, these concepts are not working for us, and most of the people play a blame and a claim game, in the sense that when it is working for them, they claim the credit for it, and when it is not working for them, they blame people around them, circumstances, and lots of things. But this isn't a way to deal with destiny. My understanding and my research and my experience says that there are a number of influences on human destiny. Every individual does have a destiny, but that destiny is not fixed. Every individual has to fix this destiny himself or herself. You don't have a fixed destiny which is given to you when you are born. The destiny keeps on evolving as you keep on evolving as a human being. So, but yes, there are multiple influences on our destiny. In fact, the definition of destiny, if you want to explore, it is a fixed outcome of an activity. Now, activity, what do you mean by activity? Activity is a human behavior. How does human behavior get influenced? Human behavior get influenced by thoughts, emotions, by people around them, circumstances, lots of things. Now, here is a catch, that though there are n number of influences, like there are planetary influences, there are circumstances, there are people around you, there are guardians, your parents, your seniors, your professional colleagues, your boss, so many influences which will keep on pushing you to the place where you don't want to go. Okay, but you as an individual has the choice. In spite of all these influences, keep on pursuing what you want in life, keep on pursuing what you desire as destiny for yourself. And that is what is the crux of my talk today. But the topic is such big topic that I would not be able to cover everything in this talk. So the only crux which I want you to take away from this topic, this video, is that in spite of n number of influences on us, we still have control over destiny. And the moment you take control of your destiny, the moment you say, yes, there is an influence on me, but I still will go overcome this influence and pursue what I want to pursue, and I will ensure that the desire which I have decided to manifest and fulfill as my destiny, I will work on it. And there is no force so strong that you cannot overcome that and pursue your destiny. That is what I want to assure you. For more information on the topics which influence our destiny and how to overcome this, what are the methods to overcome these influences and pursue our destiny and take control of our destiny, I will request you to look forward for my other videos which I'm going to post after this. So till then, thank you very much.